time. Okay, now here's a pro tip that will save you a ton of algebra headaches. If a problem asks you to minimize distance d, don't. Instead, minimize the distance squared, d squared. Why? Because it gets rid of those awful, messy square roots, and the x value that gives you the minimum is exactly the same. This is a total game changer, trust me. Ever need to approximate a weird value like the square root of 9.1 without a calculator? This little formula is your secret weapon. Basically, it says a new function value is approximately the old value you know, plus the derivative at that old point, times the tiny little change. Let's break that down from math speak into plain English. It's just this. Your new value is pretty close to the old value plus the slope times your small step. That's it. You're basically just using the tangent line to make a really good guess. Check this out. A trick so good, you don't even need calculus for it. For any quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c, the absolute top or bottom of that curve, the vertex, is always at x equals minus b over 2a. No derivatives, just plug in the numbers. That is a massive shortcut. All right, get ready for a really slick trig trick. Anytime you see an expression like a sine theta plus b cosine theta, you don't have to do any calculus to find its max or min. The maximum value is always the square root of a squared plus b squared. And the minimum? Just the negative of that. How cool is that? Okay, hang on. We're not done. Time for a super fast bonus round. First bonus trick, the AMGM inequality. It sounds complicated, but the idea is simple. The arithmetic mean, the regular average, is always bigger than or equal to the geometric mean. So what? Well, you can use this to find minimum values for some tricky expressions without using a single derivative. And that inequality gives us some amazing patterns you should just burn into your memory. For any positive number x, the minimum value of x plus 1 over x is always 2, period. And what do you know? The minimum of x squared plus 1 over x squared is also 2. You see these patterns? Learn them, know them, love them. They pop up when you least expect it. And just like that, we're done. That was over 10 calculus power tricks in, record time? Do yourself a favor and save this explainer right now. Trust me on this one, you are going to be so glad you have it come exam time.